2,000 years later.
To mount this fire extinguisher. I don't really know how much tools I really need, so I just think I have the basics. Like I found 3 screws that match this mount thing. I have a plastic mounting bracket, and I'm going to be using a drill, a stud finder. These are just my drill bits over here, and yeah, this should be everything I need. And I also have some tape to actually mark where I'm going to be drilling on the wall. Alright, this is the wall in question. It's going to be somewhere around this area. I need to actually check really quick what the regulation height is of a fire extinguisher. Not that I really care too much. I mean, this isn't a business, but I guess people are used to fire extinguishers being a certain height, so it might as well just mimic what everybody else does. So I'll be right back. And we're back with some numbers. Google said 3.5 to 5 feet, but I'm pretty sure 3.5. Yeah, that's way too low, so we're gonna go with 5. This is gonna be a rough estimate here, so 5. This is just going to be how we do the height. 5 feet. And transfer it over. That's going to be where a fire extinguisher is. Or, I don't know where the stud is, but that is the height of it. Now we got to figure out where that stud is. Stud finder, I choose you. Oh, it's really close actually. Okay. So now it should be right here. That doesn't make sense actually. One more time. Here. Okay, all kinds of fucking different numbers. Or different places, I should say. Good enough. Should be in the middle here. Yep. Yeah, that actually looks about right. Now in the middle over here, we're gonna get 3 holes. So I'm actually gonna get a pencil really quick. There we go. 'Cause I didn't sharpen some of them. This is gonna be beautiful. Alright, the best way I could think of to do this, actually let's get our pencil, is I'm just gonna put my giant level. I'm gonna put this here, and then put my level against it. Actually, this is probably like the only way to do it. Alright, move it a little bit. That's perfect. Alright, put this aside. And now, mark it with the pencil. Now this is I normally don't do stuff like this at all, so probably not doing it the most efficient way, if there even is an efficient way. Alright, so now I'm going to screw it in. Actually, we need to choose a bit that will fit with these. Alright, so what I'm going to do is simple. I'm just going to find a drill bit here that matches. So let's do that. I think I purchased this drill bit kit on Amazon, and if I find the link, I'll go ahead and post it in the video description. Just because it seems like a nice kit. I mean, this is the first time I'm using it. Actually, there we go, that's what it is. Now it'll be easier for me to find it. So now we just find the correct one, which it should actually just be that. Oh wow. That was so easy to find. Everything's labeled here so easily. I just need the 6. Do my little sanity check. Yep, that fits perfectly. Could have probably done one of these instead. That should be fine. Oh, there it is. Okay, and that should wrap around here. Oh, it's upside down. It's like, why can't I find the holes? Alright, now I can find the holes. One more time. Just because I'm paranoid. Oh, yeah, it's completely off. I could probably hit it with the level or some shit like that. Still not perfect. Now it's perfect. Oh, we're gonna do an improvised solution. Just fucking jam a pencil through my wall. Just to hold the screw in. So I just need the first one to be perfect. And then I can hold it with this. Perfect. Look at that. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh. Yeah, I fucking suck at this. Good thing you guys are experiencing it with me. Now, I didn't feel any resistance, which is kind of spooky. Because I should have drilled into the stud. Which tells me I need a longer screw. So I'm going to go get a longer screw. Because I don't want to just drill into the drywall. I want to get in the stud and be right back. Okay, we got longer screws now. So we're just going to test fit the second one. Since the whole thing isn't supposed to move now. Oh, why is it not catching it? Oh, I need a longer bit. Good thing I have longer bits. I suck at this, but we're learning together. Alright, now we take out the smaller one. Looks like it did just come out. Then I will put this in here. Looks beautiful. Me too. I think I always have my box cutters here. I bought this case of box cutters. Of course it's Amazon because I always buy Amazon, but it's a piece of 12, I think. There's just so many box cutters, and they're like, this was $8. So for the value, it was absolutely amazing, and they're razor sharp. Like, I have absolutely no question, because it's just gonna cut straight through it. See? It's just a box cutter. Like, why is it so razor sharp? I use it for everything. We close the bracket. I was playing around with the bracket a little bit. It is really hard to close. But will it fit normally without me fucking busting it? Yeah, it did. Wow. Works really great. Alright, take off the tape. it's almost like a fucking centerpiece to my room. Okay, so now that I'm on a roll, I could actually install 3. I bought 3 sinks. 3 sinks for both of my bathrooms and my kitchen. I'm going to be replacing those. Well, it might not look like much, but I'm going to go ahead and get this edited and uploaded, and hopefully I keep doing this so I can continue to motivate my life.